I got a 2018 Kia Stinger. If you want to reset the maintenance reminders, you're going to use the button on the steering wheel here. You're going to go through your menus until you get to the gear symbol at the end right there. And you can scroll up and down through your menu or your user settings. Alright, and you're looking for service interval, and you're going to hit this button, you're going to push it in. Okay, for OK. And then the service interval is checked, that means it is activated. You can adjust the interval, which we don't want to adjust it. Okay. So what we'll do is go back. Okay, what we want to do is reset. And it'll ask you if you want to reset, and you just hit yes, and that's it. Reset at 3,500 miles, 152 days.